Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm happy to be participating in a challenge hosted by Sonia of Domestic Diva DIY. I've done many collabs with her and really enjoy her channel. Her co-host is Vesna TV, which is Sonia's sister. And she also has some wonderful DIYs. And both channels will be listed in the description box down below, as well as the playlist. This challenge is a trash to treasure challenge, and we're to take something thrifted or second hand and repurpose it. So let's see what we've got. I've had an assortment of thrifted items. I've got this frame for half price, so it was only 50 cents. I got this little bucket at a yard sale. I don't remember exactly how much it was, but it wasn't very much at all. I got this little candle holder. It was $1. And then I've got this little dish for 50 cents. So I'm just going to use this assortment of stuff and make some fall decoration. All of these projects are very easy. I like the green of the frame, so I just removed the backing and just cut out a piece of fall looking scrapbook paper that I had to replace in the center. Now that I got my paper in there, I'm just trying to figure out what I'm going to do with it. So I just kind of look and think about it. And finally I remembered some stickers I had. And so I end up using those stickers to go on the glass. So I just lay out everything to kind of see where I'm going to place everything. I decided to decorate the bottom of the frame with these burlap leaves that I got at Dollar Tree. I thought the rustic feel of those would look good with my scarecrow. I take this little pumpkin and I just slice it in half with my X-Acto knife. I cut the wires off of the leaves, or at least shorten them, and glue them down to my frame. And then I take the pumpkin halves, and then glue them on top of the leaves. And I had a little bitty berry pick and just added a little raffia bow that I had from another project. And then I glued down the scarecrow and all the little pieces to the glass of the frame. I found these little tiny flowers and I decided to add them also. And that was all there was to it. On my second project, I just glued a piece of styrofoam into the little ceramic bucket. And then I had all these pretty berry picks, and I cut them apart and just arranged them in the styrofoam in the bucket. And I had these little tiny pumpkins that had wire in the back, and I just stuck them into the styrofoam at the front part of the bucket. I had a few flowers that I just had the heads of, and I just attached them to some leaves that I had in my flower bucket, and I just added them to the flower and just tucked them into the styrofoam. Then I filled the bottom with some green moss just to hide the styrofoam. It still looked a little bare in the back, so I added some more of those burlap leaves. thought this little candle holder was so cute. There's no way I was going to paint over that. But I took the tag off and just kind of cleaned it up. And since I couldn't find any taper candles, I decided to make another topiary. And I just glued these leaves I got from Dollar Tree all around this little small styrofoam ball. And once I got the leaves on it, then I glued the ball to the candle holder. I just poked this thin skewer I had and then put one of those pumpkins from Dollar Tree on top and just clipped it down to size. And then I took some green leaves that I had and just cut them apart to make the leaves on top of the pumpkin. Then I had these tiny little flowers that made me think of fall mums, and I just put them around the skewer. There was one bare little place in the front, so I took this pretty colored gourd and just glued it on there. And that was that. This project was probably the easiest of all of them. I just cut a strip of ribbon, dovetailed it, and just filled it into the little dish. And then I just added some of my pumpkins to that. And then I used the burlap leaves. Oh, first I found this glitter leaf from Dollar Tree, and I put it in there, and then I added burlap leaves to the back of that. And then I thought about the orange leaves, burlap leaves, and that was pretty much it. But I think it looks very festive, and I think it turned out beautiful. Just something simple to brighten up your home. I hope you enjoyed these projects. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Ring that bell to get so you can be notified whenever I upload videos. None of this cost anything, and it sure would help my channel to grow. I would like to once again thank Sonia and Vesna for hosting this challenge. Please go check out their channels and check out the playlist. There will be all kinds of neat stuff. So until next time, bye.